Hey guys, what's up? I'm Vince from Grave Up Restoration and Palm Beach Jeep Club, and this is my new YouTube channel. This video I'm pretty much just going to run through what I plan to do with the channel. I have a couple Jeeps here behind me. I have 10 right now that I work on all the time. They're all, little works in progress, but I'll show you those. And then I basically plan on keeping track of my progress through here that you guys could watch. And then I also am going to be posting a ton of tutorials and how-tos as I do all the work on the cars. So every video that I post, if I'm changing out an axle, I'll show you in another video how to change out the axle and stuff like that. So I think you guys will get a really cool in-depth explanation of how to do things, how things work. And everybody on YouTube does their mechanics a little differently, so you might like my way better than somebody else's, or somebody else is better than mine. I'm just trying to help out. So yeah, these are some of my Jeeps right here, and I'll go through and show you guys what those are. Alright, so this is a 91 Cherokee 5-speed 4-wheel drive that I'll be working on a lot on our first few videos. So I'm trying to fix this one up, and I don't know whether I'm going to sell it or keep it yet. This back here is an 89 4-door Cherokee, a 96 4-door Cherokee. This is my 92 4-door Cherokee. That was my most recent build, but I'm going to put a motor in this one, a stroker motor. This is an 88 Comanche short bed. I got a 79 CJ back here. This is my 85 Wagoneer. An 89 Comanche long bed that I just finished for Jeep Beach. And then I have an 85 J10. Most of these are going to be full restorations on. I'm going to try to do a little bit at a time. But I'm trying to get a building up here so that I could, do paint work and stuff, and basically tear the whole car down at once. And then this is my 2000 Cherokee that I've been driving every day. I got it off a customer actually. He overheated it and cracked the head and blew the head gasket and everything. So the whole top of the engine's brand new water pumps, new hoses. It only had 89,000 miles when I got it, so now it's got about 93, and I gotta do an oil change on that today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and I'll be posting more videos shortly.